Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's a very good day and we'll be inspecting the beehive this afternoon, but first up we'll do some homemade burger. So it's going to be beef burger. I have here minced beef around 700 grams, and I'll be putting in eggs, some mixed herbs, and crushed garlic is around 1 tablespoonful, and mixed herb is around 1 teaspoonful. And I'll be mixing in pepper and my homemade onion chutney. I'll be also putting in a tablespoon of barbecue sauce and a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'll also add this piece of bread. We'll be tearing it to pieces. And also, after we've mixed it all, we'll dab a bit of flour on the surface before we freeze it for a bit before we cook it. Okay, so let's start. Well, let's all mix it in with this minced beef. This 6 patties, and what I'll do before I cook them or grill them, I will put them in the freezer for half an hour. So let's do that. Alright, so our patties are ready, and I'm just heating up the frying pan so we can fry it. That's lunch ready. I'll just put a bit of cheese and tomato, and it's ready to serve. That's it for today, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.